Hi, I'm Lina. Welcome back to Fashion Fab News. Welcome back. Today I have a tutorial, a makeup tutorial, and I just want to get right into it. So please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and follow me everywhere, Fashion Fab News. I'm Lina and keep on watching. I'm gonna start with this illuminating primer. This is great for the summer, spring season. It gives you like this extra shiny, beautiful effect, and I'm gonna apply it under my foundation. And this is my Golden Natural foundation, and I'm just gonna apply it with a beauty blender. I not only use my sponge for the foundation, I also like using this brush. It also helps me to make my foundation more even. I'm gonna apply this light concealer on my T-zone, my under eyes, my forehead, under my eyebrow bone, and just gonna blend it out. For my eyebrows, I don't want to go crazy, but I'm gonna use my eye pencil and also my eyebrow pomade. Just have more like a natural eyebrow. Gonna use one of my favorite blushes. This is from Juice Beauty in the shade Seashell, and I love it so much. It's like a perfect shade. I'm gonna use a powder foundation. I don't want to bake my face for this look, but I don't want to be shiny, of course. So I'm just using this powder foundation, especially under my eyes to avoid the creases. And I'm using an eye primer. I just want the color, and I'm gonna be using a lot of shimmery shadows, so a primer is essential. I'm starting with this champagne shadow, but you don't really need to do this. I changed my mind after, but of course you need to start with this light green eyeshadow on your crease. I'm gonna use this dark duochrome eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply it on my crease, blend it out, make it like longer, and apply it outside of my eye, just extending the shape of my eye. And I'm gonna create a cut crease with concealer. So I'm gonna apply the same light green that I used at the beginning on the inner corner of my eye and like 3/4 of my eye. I'm gonna apply a lilac eyeshadow. This is shimmery as well, and I'm just gonna apply it to the new extended end of my eye and also the lower lash line. With a black eyeshadow, I'm just making the cut crease to be more visible, and also not only with the blender brush but also with a tiny brush to create a separation between the lighter shades and the darker shades. I'm also gonna apply the green eyeshadow on my lower lash line but the inner side, and on my eyebrow bone and also my inner corner. I'm gonna add a shimmery eyeshadow. This is in the color Champagne. With a black liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna create a small cat eye, and I'm gonna follow the same shape that I have on my crease. Of course, I have to curl my lashes and use mascara. I use a black pencil on my waterline. For my lipstick, I decided to use a pink liquid lipstick, and I added some of the lilac and the green eyeshadow on the center of my lips just to add a highlight. Okay guys, we're almost done. I just want to show you that I added some highlight on my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, and with the lilac eyeshadow I went on top of the highlight just to match all the story, you know. The color palette is like green, black, purple. With a purple liquid lipstick, and using the same one that comes with the lipstick, I created these fun hearts on the side of my cheeks, and I added some of the green eyeshadow on top just to make it like similar to the eye. So this is the final look. I hope you like it, and this is a great look for like a summer music festival or just for fun. Like me, I was just playing with my makeup. I have a small palette, a new palette with shimmery eyeshadows, and I just wanted to use it. And the hearts are really cute, and it makes a great Instagram photo, so give it a like, and of course subscribe to Fashion Fab News. Don't forget to follow me everywhere, Fashion Fab News. And if you want to see my designs, since I'm a fashion designer, you can visit my website linamayorga.com or my Instagram lina.mayorga. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Till next time.